welcome back to Sammy and Bailey Tutorials. So today we are just going to be trying out this Elmer's slime starter kit.
So this includes Elmer's clear glue, Elmer's magical liquid, and Elmer's glitter glue pens. The colors of the pens are silver, blue, green, yellow, and red.
We took some out already.
Yeah. So I'm going to be making a clear silver slime.
I'm going to make a green because clear green, why not? Slime is normally green. So let's get started.
What you'll need is container to mix in, mixing utensils, and measuring spoons, which are optional.
We are not going to be using these also because we're just pouring the whole thing in. But we're going to do it in sections.
Yeah,
we're going to do it in sections.
We're just going to use our spoons that we have.
Okay, so first thing, pour the glue in.
Step 1, pour out an entire bottle of 5 fluid ounce Elmer's clear school glue into the container.
I'm just going to take the cap off because it's much easier that way.
So our containers here is just these plastic
styrofoam balls. Oh, that sounded so weird. Just pour it in like that. Make sure you try to get as much as you want because you don't want to waste the glue. Oh, this looks weird. It's actually a lot of glue.
It says it's only 5 fluid ounces. Is that even a cup now?
I think I got, wait, just a little bit. Just gotta let this drip. That's fine. Okay, this is what we did. Just poured the glue in there. So next step is
add your choice of Elmer's glitter glue pen and mix. So I have silver
and I have green. So we're just gonna
it comes like this.
We're just gonna squeeze this out. Put as much as you want, but I think I might put like the whole thing in. Actually, I might as well just take the cap off here. I want to pour the whole. No, I got it on my pinky.
Is this even able to come out?
Here, hold on.
I don't think the cap.
The struggle is real.
The cap doesn't come off.
Yeah, we're just gonna get this in. You could put as much as you want in, but I think I'm just gonna put the whole thing in just to get it all in.
Just do it.
So change of plans. We kind of added a little bit more colors because we thought it would be plain.
So I'm making mine a little purple. So I had a little bit of red and a little bit of blue. I'm still adding in my
I don't know what I'm doing. Mine's going to be mostly green, but I wanted to light it up. So I put some yellow in there and then blue just to give it a little color. So we are going to mix now. Get your spoon. Do you have a spoon? Oh, yeah, your spoon's in there. Okay, mix.
Step 3, mix until color is evenly mixed in bowl.
So you're just gonna mix it all up. See, oh, I don't want to do that, show you guys, because I'm just gonna plop all over the table.
Hold on, I have to add more red and blue.
Oh, yeah.
That did not turn out purple.
Mine's really green. I want to have mine a little bit more teal. But, you know, it's looking pretty good. Thank you.
I'll get your yellow.
Okay. I think I'll just
line it up. Okay, now I have to add in red.
So we're just adding more colors because, you know.
Just to make it a little bit better. Okay.
Hers was just plain silver.
Silver.
Mine is just really green, so I'm just going to add a little bit more blue. You could add whatever colors you want because you got whatever colors you want. You could.
Oh, that's
pretty.
Yeah, but that's
more red though. That's more red.
Let's add more colors.
Cause you don't want to add too much because then it's just going to be pure glitter.
Well, you're making clear glitter slime.
True. It's looking pretty nice. You can see that it's green, right? And it's just the glue, so.
With colors and sparkles.
So this is Bailey's slime. I think she added a little too much food coloring because
I added this, which made it really dark, and then
you tried to cover it up with this,
but it's okay. It's still pretty.
There wasn't enough in here that what she wanted, and she wanted like because we were using both of the colors and
yeah, I wanted a darker kind.
Mine actually ended up very pretty. I added a little bit more blue. I still like mine. I added a little bit more blue, and so...
Step 4, add 1 bottle of Elmer's magical liquid.
So what you would want to do is not to add it and dump it all up, because you're not going to actually, you're probably not going to actually need the whole container. So just pour a little bit at a time and then mix.
And it says for step 5, mix until mixture gets harder to mix and slime begins to form.
Slime is beginning to form.
I think.
Mine is.
Yeah, mine is. I added a little too much.
I don't even know what's in this magical liquid.
Let's see, right here. Elmer's magical liquid is our all-in-one formulation that transforms any Elmer's glue into the perfect slime.
Oh.
The Elmer's glitter glue pens are a rainbow of colors that add a sparkly dimension to homemade slime writing and gluing. Elmer's clear school glue creates a transparent base perfect for customizing the colors and glitter for your own unique slime.
See, I didn't even use half of this, and mine's like turning out pretty good.
Yeah, I used like that much. That's how far mine went down.
See, I love this color. It's like a nice blue.
It's good, I think.
I just want that out.
Maybe I had a little too much, but I still have to.
Yeah, so I wouldn't add all of this in at once because then yours would be hard, and then
I'm not touching this yet. My dye probably hasn't even mixed in all the way.
Yeah, that's the problem with dye. You're probably going to get it on your fingers at first.
Look here, I'm just going to... Yep, it's not even mixed in.
And that's why you want to put the dye in before the glue. No, before you put the magical liquid or activator in it. Because then you'll just get it everywhere. So, we'll come back when we're done mixing. So, we switched slimes just to work them, and Bailey's... Mine looks like grape jelly.
Mine looks like grape jelly.
I'm actually touching it, and it's what you want to do is when you think it's not too sticky, it's still got to be sticky, but then you just knead it, and it won't, and just have someone.
I don't touch it until like if I go like that and it doesn't stick to the spoon so much. That's how I.
Oh, my glasses.
Oh God.
It's fine. It's fine. It will come up.
I'm just gonna. I don't know what this stuff contains. I don't want to touch it.
We're touching slime with it in it. It's fine. Just
gonna add.
If my hands were clean, I would help you with that. But like,
see, it's a trick. If you spill slime,
can you? Magic liquid, please. No, magic liquid.
That's good. Was a lot.
So yeah, we're just gonna.
It's a tip. If you spill glue on the table,
use activator to
put
clean it up.
activator on it, and it'll clean up easily. Because then you just make slime.
Or just water. Because water helps. Okay. And it's stuck to the bowl.
Oh.
Well, we'll come back to you when...
This is Sam's.
It's pretty. This is Bailey's.
Grape jelly.
Grape jelly. So we'll come back to you when we're all done. Like, literally all done with mixing.
But when we can play with them without creating a mess.
Yeah, so... See you then.
So, my slime turned pretty good. That's what it is.
On the other hand...
It's good. A little sticky.
You're welcome.
I don't know if it's a little overactivated, but she fixed it for me. And then over here, I'm not touching it. We have a hot mess. I like the color. It's like a seafoam green.
Okay, so what we tried.
I don't know why I just touched that.
So we ran out of this. Yes, you are going to need the whole thing, but don't pour it all at once. We ran out of that, so we tried the baking soda and contact solution. That just ruined it. So
then we tried adding in.
slime was such a pretty color.
Then we tried adding in more normal clear glue that we had.
Didn't work.
Didn't work. And then we tried adding food coloring. It was this blue color here. Then when we added in the green food coloring to make it that green that she had, it turned into seafoam green.
There's no point in that.
Yeah. So we're just gonna end the video here.
Hold on, wait until I come over.
And see you in the next video.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what you would like to see next. Bye.
Bye.